Tuned up this little drop right here. Needed it. Alright, Grayson's first time hitting this. I don't know if you guys can see. This is actually a 40-footer. Grayson's thinking about standing at 30, but it's going to be sick either way. Sick.
Shut up and sit down.
When he be skidding on the berm. You. Just built up the new level bit. It's up. Mosquitoes. See how good it is.
Romantic, isn't
Sick.
Shut up and sit down.
I don't know if I can play Thursday because that's my lawn mowing day.
Oh, that's my mom's birthday, so no, definitely not this Thursday.
Maybe tomorrow.